So where the system breaks down a little bit is, let's just say I'm a junior designer and I'm looking for a very unique condition on a project. And I can go into Puros and almost search as if I would be in Google or ChatGPT. So I can say, all right, I'm looking for a roof parapet detail with a metal panel and a curtain wall. Now, in my typical library, I won't be able to find this because it's not standard or vetted yet. But that's where Puros comes into play, where we're able to horizontally search across all your projects, right? If this has been done in the past, to save those billable hours from me doing it all from scratch again. So just like a Google search engine, we're going to populate what we think is the most relevant at the top of the list, right? So all the parapets are going to be right here. And looking through this one specifically, this is exactly kind of the detail I need, right? And you'll notice the name of the detail itself is not what I searched for at all. What we have is basically something called computer vision, which is a next generation AI that allows you to, in essence, search for the construct of the detail. So it recognizes that this is a parapet, right? But there's also a curtain wall here. And on top of it, there's a metal coping. And even though there's MTL within the search, it has industry abbreviations baked into the search logic, knowing that MTL types fully types out for metal, which is what I search for. Now, again, if I want to download this, great, but I might be a junior designer and you're a BIM manager, and you don't want me to bring in some of these older details from a past project. Now, this project here, I can actually go to the overall project of where this detail derived from. And it could be marked as a reference only project, meaning that like as a junior designer, I can review it, I can search for it really quickly and efficiently, but I can't download it. If I wanted to download this, it would prompt me that this is a read-only or reference-only detail, in which it then would require me to create an approval or a ticket for you as a BIM manager to approve. And then from there, you will be routed to the ticket. You can review this detail itself. And here's a huge value add that our customers have that actually it doesn't exist anywhere else other than Puros in the industry, where I'm able to look at this detail, and then now I can even see the family components that are within the detail here. So you can see there's the datum, this joint seal and backer rod, the channel stud section, the chip wallboard. You see it, right? Now, let's just say as a BIM manager, you notice that this joint seal and backer rod section is actually a random component that you don't know where it came from. Maybe it came from the internet or another random detail in the past, right? And I can actually look and say, hey, what is this? Where did this come from? And you can even go to that component family in our families module and see what other details have it. And this is a huge value add for you to QA and make sure that like all these details are now aligned with the right joint seal and backer rod family that you standardized on like a couple months ago, and you can purge that. And that's a huge value add that, again, connects the value of what are families, but also details, all in one environment, easily done within Puros.